Here we come to the elevator at the Shantz building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This elevator was originally something very vintage from the 50s. However, it has since been modernized with EPCO SSL in the 1980s or 1990s. We'll start by going up. EPCO SSL Vandal resistant fixtures. This is hydraulic. I like the SSL fixtures. Very nice. You can actually smell the oil. Here it is, it's here. Alright, it's here. Very annoying fan. Look at our cab view. GAL interlock. You can actually see up the shaft. Lantern does not work, but the chime does. We're gonna go up to 5. Here on 5, button went out. Let's ring the bell. EPCO chime, 1980s. Go down to 1. And the door close button is stuck now. There we go, I think I got it unstuck. As best as I can. Anyways, capacity 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. EPCO SSL Vandal resistant fixtures. ADA compliant phone Janus. Very nice cab. This may be the original cab. Annoying fan. You're on 1. No classic leveling, we'll go up to 2. Door close button works. We'll watch the button go out this time. Anyways, here it goes. That's gonna be it.